Today we are making video MGZS 2022 after seat belt deployed and this adjuster got caught in the seat belt and came out. So this problem, so his hub seat is not anymore, we can't adjust the seat anymore. So I took out of the car and now we have to put back and make it right. So okay, I was struggling to put this through this rod or this adjustment rod. Then I took this out, take this out and then put in this position. It's more easier. Then you can watch. When you pushing from the other side, you can see through the hole, and it's more easier to put this in. After you, then just matter of putting this in. That's it. It's all working now. The handle